Hi friends, so today we'll discuss how we can dump data into the MySQL database. So for this, we need to ensure that we have already existing database and with phpMyAdmin running. So I will go to my XAMPP server. I will need to start this server. You can use XAMPP or XAMPP as you have better aware of the environment in PHP. So I will start the Apache server and MySQL server. Okay. Now I will go from here to my Apache server. So it will go to PHP my admin page. You can see here. Okay. Now we can open this page. This is the menu we can use. Now we can use it in I have a database at this location. So this is my location where my database is present. I can directly go to this location. Okay. And from there, I will see this is the database. Okay. So for this, what we can do, we have to go to command prompt. We can do some CMD. And if we want to bring this data into our database. Okay. So this is the large file which we have to deal with. See, this is the large file, about 32 MB file would be there. Okay, so accordingly, there has been multiple tables, so around 100 plus tables in this database. So in a case when there is no option for export in our database, we will use this method, which is very useful. So we can go to our database file. Now cd, it would be showing the location. Okay, let me see where it is. Cd XAMPP. Okay, cd, then htdocs. We can do one by one. So like this you can go, and this is my project. It's order management, and again there is a folder. Okay, and this the database folder is there. So I can go here. See, okay, now I am onto this folder. Now I have to retrieve this file from our database. Okay, so there is a command here, MySQL underscore root, this hyphen root, and a user which is root we are using, and this is the password which is default password. This is my database name, which is I have kept in our code editor, which is environment variable in VS Code, and this is my database name. As you can see here, this is the location where our database is present. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to push this data into our XAMPP server, which into our XAMPP server, which is our PHP MyAdmin panel, which we have opened it. Okay, so we can run directly this command here and execute it. Okay, this command if I would run, so this is the path which I have given it. Okay, so this path also you can be ignored, and you can write this command in our command prompt and press enter. Okay, after pressing enter, we'll see that this PHP MyAdmin part, when we go, so we can see this data is there. Okay, so here entire table is there for our database. You can see this is the database name, and there are, see how much tables. You can see 122 tables are there. So this is the simple command where we have large number of data. We can use it and ensure that this database is present in our file. Okay, so this is our all about our MySQL dump and how we can dump data into the MySQL database. So thank you for watching.